Sunday, February 28th, both Bella Voce and 14 Karat ran both shows to entertain people who support them. After countless hours of rehearsing, the show choirs finally got to show their friends and families what they've been working on.
Premiere night is supposed to be when show choirs show their show for the first time, but for us it was kind of just a chance to show our friends and family.
Premiere night went pretty good. It was all fun. Both of the groups did pretty well.
The audience expects nothing less than a flawless performance. Both show choirs have practiced too much to deliver a show with any mistakes in it.
We've always gotten good reactions from the show. Everyone seems to love it, and it's just fun to perform too.
I think most people like our show. We have lots of things going on, so very up-paced show, so get a lot of people hyped up to cheer for us.
Obviously we have the masks, which makes it harder, but it means a lot more to all of us than last year. The show has a lot of meaning behind it.
It's very different from last year because this year when learning choreography, we can't have choreographers come to school and teach us, so we learn from videos, so that makes learning a lot harder.
My favorite part is just having all my friends there and being with them all the time.
My favorite part this year was definitely being a part of the boys section. I love hanging out with the guys. They're fun people.
Another amazing performance by Bella Voce and 14 Karat Gold. And good luck to both show choirs with the rest of their season.
Do show choir next year. It's super fun. Just try it.
Join show choir next year. It's fun.